Hi friends, welcome back. A fresh welcome to the new parents who have joined my channel, and love for all my kids. Thanks to all of you that you are commenting and you are letting me know that you like my channel so much. This is really an inspiration. As this month we have India's Independence Day, so I'll show you two Independence Day craft items today. You can involve your kid with you and make these craft items very easily at home. The two craft activities which we'll do today, number one would be an Indian flag. For this we require white sheets of paper, some popsicle sticks, glue, paintbrush. We'll start making the Indian flag with this popsicle sticks. For that, first I'll put glue on the sticks and paste it on a A4 sheet like this. Then saffron color goes on the top. I've taken 2 saffron popsicle sticks which I'll glue and put it on the top. Paste it like this. Then comes the white color. Then the green color at the bottom. Make them hold these popsicle sticks, and the kids should do them by themselves. First of all, it will improve their fine motor skills. Secondly, they should know the importance of the colors in the Indian flag. And in between the white goes the blue circle. Now over here I am putting this circle. You explain them about the Ashoka Chakra in detail. This is just a symbolic representation of the Indian flag. While doing this craft activity, you explain them about the importance of the saffron color, white color and green color. Number 2 would be our national bird, peacock. A paint activity on peacock. For this we require white sheets of paper, some paint, scissors, glue, paintbrush and felt pen. We'll first start up with our thumb. Take some blue paint with your thumb and put it on the paper, in the center of the paper at the bottom, like this. Then with this finger we'll take more blue paint and put it like this. This will be the body of the peacock. Now we'll take some dark green paint with the thumb again, and one by one we'll put the impression over here, which will act as the feather of the peacock. After putting one layer green, again we'll put one layer blue. Now one layer light green. Use both your this thumb and pointing finger and fill the colors. Finally, one more layer of blue. Children will love doing this. This is a fun paint activity which improves their fine motor skills as well. You show them how to do it and they'll do it on their own. They'll enjoy doing this. Once you have done the blue and green color, now you take some yellow and red paint and just like this, put it at the tip of the blue paint. Put the yellow at the tip of the blue paint. Take some red color and put it at the tip of the green paint. Now it's done. Finish it up by drawing the foot of the peacock and a little bit of the beak, and just like this, and put a googly eye for the peacock, and it's done. So hope you liked today's activities. Independence Day is celebrated every year in India on 15th of August. Children generally have their holiday on that day. They shouldn't only enjoy the holiday, they should know a little bit about India's independence story. Tell them about something about India's independence story. Also making them doing this little craft activities involves them in the process, that today is Independence Day and this is India's national bird. Of course, the Indian flag activity. Please make them do that and let me know how you enjoyed. Till then, bye-bye.